In this video, we're going to show you how to change the oil on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Remove the oil fill cap. I'm going to pull my dipstick out just slightly. This will allow more air down and drain the oil faster. Using a 14mm wrench, remove the oil drain plug. Be sure to have a collection bucket under you before removing this plug. Remove the old crush washer from the drain plug. Install the new crush washer onto the drain plug. Install the drain plug into the oil pan. Torque the oil drain plug to 18 foot-pounds. Clean rag and brake parts cleaner will spray just under the oil plug. Wipe away any of our oil. Using an oil filter wrench, we're going to remove the oil filter. Let this continue to drain out until it stops. If you take it off right now, you'll get covered in oil. Remove the oil filter. Before installing the new oil filter, take a bit of clean engine oil and wipe it around the seal. And install the oil filter. You want to make this filter nice and snug. Using a clean rag and some parts cleaner, we're just going to spray around the area, get any old oil off. On this 2.4 liter Toyota motor, we're going to put 4.5 quarts of 020 or 520 oil. Install the oil cap. Put the dipstick back into the tube. Start the engine, let it run for a few minutes and then shut it off. Let it drain back for about 5 minutes. When it's done draining back, we'll check our dipstick. Pull the dipstick out, wipe it the first time, put it back in, check the oil level. Our oil level is good. There's 2 dots. These 2 dots represent a quart. This is your max line, and this is your minimum. Once you've checked your oil, you know it's at a good level. Reinstall the dipstick, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.